ties with Canada have now spanned 77 years and continues to grow from strength to strength. At the onset of my administration, we intensified our campaign for diversification of partnerships, strengthening existing ones and building new strategic ones. With Canada, we have seen an unprecedented momentum in the deepening of bilateral relations. It is thus imperative that we further strengthen this connection with our long-standing friend and partner as we navigate the shared challenges that we face as Pacific nations. I will have a one-on-one meeting with Prime Minister Carney, followed by an expanded meeting with our selective delegations to specifically pursue these collaborations as both sides look to elevate Philippine-Canada relations. I expect the discussions to lay the broad strokes of a plan of action. This plan of action will shape the next phase of our bilateral relations and ensure the sustained and dynamic growth of our partnership in the years to come. Mayroon pong humigit kumulang na 1 milyong Pilipino na nasa Canada na ngayon. Dito sa Pilipinas, patuloy silang nakikilahok sa pagpapaunlad ng ating ekonomiya at pagpapatatag ng ating demokrasya sa kabila ng ilang taong pagkakawalay sa bayan. I certainly look forward to reconnecting with all of them. Malayo ang biyahe at ang oras ay laging kulang. Ang mahalaga ay ating maipaabot sa ang ating mga prioridad ng ating pamahalaan at na hindi masayang ang pagkakataon na palawigin ang pagkakaibigan para sa mas masiglang komersyo, kooperasyon at pagtulungan.
Concerned are you with the ongoing rally in EDSA? What do you make out of their motivation behind the rally?
Well, everyone can hold the rally, and so he held the rally. Ako malakas ang loob ko kasi sa buong kasaysayan, ang iglesia, pag nag-rally, kahit napakarami, hindi sila nang bubulo. And that for me was the main concern that somebody might get hurt. Ang problema lang namin is that merong informasyon na siyempre merong mga mag-infiltrate, mag-agitate. Yun ang inaalala namin. Yung pinaka-importante sa amin, walang masaktan. Either di ka iglesia o kung sino man na mapunta ron na